In IUPAC class 1, the first class, basic. Prefix, suffix, root word or word root. Root word. This meaning and how they are arranged. That is the class 1. And what is the use of these three. So, first root word you take, it is the middle part. Middle part means center part. Root word. Make the box. Just make the box root word. And we know that meaning of pre. Pre meaning, for example, pre-delivery. Pre-delivery means before 9 months. 9 months before only delivery. 9 months before. That is meaning of the pre-delivery. The pre means before. So here also what? Root word before. That's why this term pre. And this place is fix. So you can add fix. So before root word which is used, the term is the prefix. Pre meaning before, fix means no change. This position no change, fix it, fixed here. This position not changes to here. That's why prefix. Next, after meaning, suff meaning after, suff. Last actually. Last, after. And this place also fixed. We don't change this place. Fix means you know that fix it. After root word which is fixed, that is called as suffix. Before root word which is fixed, that is called as prefix. Okay, first point this is. First point is clear. The second point, root word as it is. This shortcut symbol I say that RW. R means root, W means word, root word. So, root word, no change. That's why I make the green color. Here there is no change. Root word. But prefix only one type. Root word only one type. But prefix two types. That is secondary prefix. Next, primary prefix. Prefix. Suffix also two types. Then, what are that? Primary suffix. Next, secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. So here one technique is, this is the order. First secondary prefix in the IUPAC any name. Next primary prefix. Next root word. Then primary suffix. Last secondary suffix. That's why here I read primary suffix first. Here secondary prefix first. Listen, one trick is here. This is the order. Order, one by one order. Order. These positions are not changes as it is, remember. For remembering of this one trick is here. Trick is this IUPAC building order starts with secondary and ends with secondary. Ends also secondary. Ends with secondary. See that? Starting secondary, ending with secondary. Here secondary suffix is the ending, secondary prefix is the starting. Secondary, 2 degrees is the starting. This is the trick. That's why prefix, secondary prefix, next primary prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Trick is this building order starts with secondary and ends with secondary. End means secondary suffix, start means secondary prefix. Secondary prefix, ending secondary suffix. Pre means just we discussed. Pre means pre-delivery, before language. Before. Pre meaning before. Pre meaning before. Fix meaning no change. What is the fix meaning? Fix, we simple word, no change. Fix the position. Suff means last, end, last. Fix means no change. Constant, fix it, fix, no change. So this is the second point. First point, second point. Okay, then now these, where it is, what is the use of these terms? Is, now see here. Order, once again you write down here order. First one is the secondary prefix. Next primary prefix. Middle part root word. Next, remember last is the secondary prefix, here last is the secondary suffix. You remember like that. Secondary suffix. So here what? Automatically primary suffix. Primary suffix. This is the order. Secondary prefix, primary prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Then root word is the middle part. You remember this. So before root word both are pre and pre. After root word suff and suff. Then trick is one. First starting 2 degree, ending also 2 degree. This is the trick number 1. And now see this. What happens? The secondary prefix is used in 2 cases. Number 1. Naming, for naming branches. So we discuss each and every case where secondary prefix, what is the meaning, what is the branch meaning also we discuss later. Second, lowest priority functional group. Lowest priority functional group. According to functional group order, we discuss the which is the high priority, which is the low priority functional group. This priority order also very important. Only this priority order we discussed in the next video. So these two only used for secondary prefix. Your primary prefix only one. Here there is no confusion. For this one many are there, but this is only one. That is the primary prefix it is present for cyclic compounds only. Cyclo. We are in NEET and JEE range mains only. Cyclo is enough for mains according to NCERT. Need not to go to the advanced range. Spyro, bicyclo. We don't give that examples. Cyclo is enough. You remember cyclo. Next, root word means in parent chain. In parent chain, it depends on number of carbons. Number of carbon atoms. Here I will give the example. If one carbon atom, it is very easy. Root word is meth, M-E-T-H. Me means one person. M-E-Me in English. Me means what? Only one person. Me, one person. Th added. Then two carbons, just remove the M. What is remaining? ETH only. Just remove the M from meth, ETH only. So two carbon, ETH. Two carbons. Three carbons, prop. Etc. up to 10 carbons you learn. Up to 10 carbons. Next, primary suffix. This is also easy. This is used for saturation or unsaturation. For C, single bond C, this is the primary suffix is the ane. For C, double bond C, primary suffix is the ene. For C, triple bond C, primary suffix is the ine. That's why ane, ene, ine. A for 1 and E for B for 2. Why you can use the E means A next alphabet B, B and E bni, no pronunciation. If you take the C, C and E sni, no perfect pronunciation. D and E dni, no. E and E in, okay. That's why E means double bond. So E next, many alphabets are there. Why we go to the next Y? NE is the common. Why you go to the Y? Because E next what? F. F and F ni. There is no pronunciation. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, B, W, X. Up to X there is no pronunciation. X next Y. Y and E, wine. That's why Y is the triple bond. Next, secondary suffix. Simple here, 3 only. 1, 2, 3 only, that's all. Next, secondary suffix. This is high priority functional group. We discuss which is high priority, which is low priority. High priority functional group. So this is the total. Secondary prefix is naming branches and lowest priority functional group. Next, primary prefix is cyclo. Root word, number of carbons in parent chain. Number of carbon atoms. Next, primary suffix is only 3. Single bond ane, double bond ene, triple bond yne, ine. Secondary suffix high priority functional group only. Now priority order we discuss and with examples also. What is the branch meaning? What is the lowest priority functional group? We discussed in the IUPAC class 2.